So what's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode, and today I'm going to break down a losing trade that we experienced yesterday. That is on uh, 25th of June. Yeah. So we were having a trade on Gbpusd, and we thought we were going to make it, but we didn't make it due to the market conditions. It didn't work out. The strategy played out itself very well, and we were ready to get in. We were floating around $30 until the funeral candle just came back in, bro. It was a mess. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and let's see how it came about. So this is what happened. So the one how we had the order block that was respected very well, and we had maximum taps into the order block. So there was a first tap, this one, then there was a break of structure here in the 15-minute, that is. So as you can see in the 15 minutes chart, we had a break of structure right here. I waited for a retest. Then when price started just moving up nicely, we got in. So I floated up to around $35, I think, until this candle came back in, and it was so massive, and that was a retracement back to the order block again. So it smoked us out and went deeper into the order block, and during New York Open, that's around 3 p.m. Kenyan time, it started showing signs of reversal. So there was a change of character, and it was now strongly bullish towards our direction. So we were right, but the market just said that no, you won't get anything this time around. So this is what happened. There was a beautiful break of structure here. Waiting for a break and retest, and then we waited for a bullish engulfing candle to show us the buyers are inside, and we got in. Then there was a massive bullish candle to the upside. That is what happened, and the funeral candle just came back in and told us that no, today you're not getting nothing today. So this week has been hell. No TP hit. This is the first serious loss that we had. The other loss was sort of a break even because it was not maximum. It was 0 point something percent loss. But this one is big. This is about 1 point something percent. So we are back to 3%. We're back to 3%, and this isn't good. This isn't good at all. Not 3%, we are back to 2.4%, and we are supposed to show that we are moving forward. But anyway, a loss is a loss. We have to take it the way it has come, and that's what is happening. Sometimes the strategy plays well. The market conditions just tell you, yo, today is not the day to reap. So we accepted the loss, moved on, never took any other trade or remain trading, because we know that the market is always moving, and there is a day that will replace this loss. Hopefully, let us see what the market is going to be doing today. As you can see, it is in its highest highs of the week, and tracing your take profit level is a bit difficult because you don't know where other order blocks are. You have to zoom in back into the weekly chart, and that's just a lot of wow. You don't wanna. I'm a day trader. My trades move and get closed before the day ends. That's what I'm saying. So if I move into the weekly chart, I'll be behaving like a swing trader, and that's not the kind of person that I am. So I accepted the loss, and that's how it is. So guys, I'm watching another setup today. This card JPY setup. I'm aiming to enter at this point because this is our 1 hour order block. If it gets respected, then I'll be getting in at this point and aiming at a 1 to 2.7, targeting these highs. So that's what's up. So let's see how price is going to behave here, and I'll get back with a full breakdown of how this trade has gone if I'll get into it. If I don't get into it, there's no need to get into it, because maybe the trade will not be valid. So let's wait and see for today. But for yesterday, it was a loss, and we accepted the loss, and we moved back to 2.4%. Okay, so that's what's up, guys. I said I'll be very open with this account, showing you every trade that I take, every loss and win that I make, to prove to you that trading has money and this thing can change your life. So that's what's up. So let's catch up on the next episode, and stay safe. Make sure you be 1% better every single day. Adios.